Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm CEO Co-Instructor Dr. Ben. Today I'm going to show you how cybersecurity and ethical hackers gather information using these two powerful tools. And today is going to be so epic and so unique in its own way because you're going to do a lot of analysis on a whole lot of websites, but we're just going to categorize it into just two options so that you'll be able to follow along. So let's see how cybersecurity and ethical hackers use these two powerful tools to gather information. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. So first I will launch my Google Chrome browser, and what I'm going to do here is to just go to this site. Let's see, let me hit Google and let me look for this site called DNS timestamp. I've already searched for this website and it's so simple. So what I'm going to do is to copy it in a new tab, and the other one we are going to use is called the OSNI or Osnit framework. Is so powerful, and let me open that one to in another tab. And also that's all for the day, but this is how we go about it when you're doing the DNS dumpster. All you need to do is you can see here in their web application website is DNS record and research find up a lookup DNS record. So we're going to do some analysis so that you'll be able to understand what I meant. And this is OSNI framework, and what this does is so powerful to the extent that I'm going to show you how to use all these tools. So what cybersecurity and ethical hackers do when they come across this kind of tool is so simple. All they need to do is to come here and type in the domain they want to search. So today I'm going to do analysis on Google. Since you're on Google, just type in google.com, okay, and just hit search. And perfect is showing results for what google.com, and you could see when you come down here, I already did for me and now Google. Okay, so when you come here, you could see Google hosts about 9 of their servers in United States. Okay, so you could see here down here they have a whole lot of DNS records like DNS servers, MS records. They have a lot of information. So you can see scrolling down throughout this page, you could see that we have a whole lot of things going on here. Okay, let's come down here now. Perfect to be able to assemble it into a graphical form, which we can even download it and view the graph better. So this is kind of gathering information like on a target before you be able to try to test their security, whether they have a loophole in it or not. But you can see this is a powerful tool which gives us graphical user interface and also kind of a table form so that you could see everything that's going on. So you could see the IP addresses here. You could see Google is not a US based company, so you could see they have all their servers in United States, which is so powerful. Okay, so when you come down, so let's scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of things right here. Okay, so as you go, so you could see they have I think that is all for Google, because even its homepage doesn't have a whole lot of information, as you could see. And you could see the hosting, the geolocations, as I told you earlier on, which is kind of so powerful. And we have another tool called the OSNit framework, which I think this is the best among these two. Why? Because you can just click here, it's going to populate a whole lot, so you can just username search engine and search for any specific username using this kind of tools. Okay, name check, non name checker, user search, what's my name. They've populated, and I like the way they brought out this project. Is so simple. Have all these tools as one, which can use a username search engine. Let me try to see whether I can search for my name because I'm a famous. So let me check. Use this. Okay, so I'll just click on this, and it opens to what checkusernames.com. It sends you to the website, and what I'm going to do is to just type in famous pen tester, and let me see whether I can find my username in this way. So it's going to go through all these social media sites to see whether I am available in one of these. So you could see I'm available in Tumblr, eBay, Pinterest, Blogger, like a whole lot. But I think some I'm not even you can't find me in some of this page. Maybe someone differently using my username somewhere else, because I don't have accounts on this site. Strava flights aware, maybe I could have something possible there, maybe a long time ago, which I even forgot. Okay, so well, let's come back to this. So you can see you can just search according to specific site, and you can use the username, keybase like Amazon, GitHub, and a whole lot of stuff. And we have what, the domain name. Okay, you can use this who is subdomain discovery, and these are a whole lot of tools you can use when you are doing your pen testing, cyber security analysis. There are a whole lot of things on this OS framework, which is so powerful, because I like the way they've even did all this kind into one tool, so that when you click, just a click, it sends you to and links you to all the tools you can use. So here you can search for video, and you could use all these search, okay, like Google videos, Bing, Facebook live map. You can all use this to search for some videos. So you can just click here, brings you to Facebook live, so that you could be able to log in and watch any video you're trying to search on. So this is quite some good information, and some quite tools what you can use to watch. You can see a whole lot of stuff going on here. These are live videos happening now on Facebook, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial for the day, and I hope you also subscribe to this channel, so that I bring up a whole lot of videos and a whole lot of tutorial on this channel. Stay safe, be good, and try to secure yourself. So when you are in Learn with Your Brains, or you try to learn something from Learn with Your Brains, you're going to get a whole lot of knowledge concerning cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetrating testing. See you in our next video. Take care and goodbye.